Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a open and close fan or pull and wave fan. So let's see how to make it. To make it, take a paper and fold it as shown. Fold it and stick it using glue. Make two papers like this and stick them together. Apply some glue at the end of the fan and roll it in a paper. Take a rectangle piece of paper and place it over the handle and stick it using glue. Take two strings of thread or wool and stick it using glue to the both sides of the fan. Now close the fan and attach the strings to the paper using glue. Take another piece of paper of same size and color and stick it above it. Cut out the excess piece of string. Now let's decorate our fan using some artificial diamonds. The pull and wave fan is ready within 5 minutes. Please do try it out. It is so easy to make and we can make the fan using materials available in your home. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and was helpful for you. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.